600 USD, two of them. 600 US for two of them. Kero, last time we see him. From that night we don't link Charmer your fuck after we now got we said no. Different driver we get. 600 US for two of them. 600 US to maga piece of blood clot tick. And like a two I get them when they do them body and them two maga piece of tick. Them pretty still, me now go around and skin clean. But them maga bad. When me say maga, them mega bad. A man says 600 US for two of them. Me said no. Drama said no. 600 US? How much is 600 US in a Jamaican currency? Me said to Chama, Chama, how much money is 600 US in a Jamaican currency? 90,000? You must be mad to blood clot. Me ask you to listen, bro. If we give them the $600, they're coming back to Jamaica with us, him laugh. If your blood clot, me tell him Chama, me pay 600 USD two of them, they make sure they have them blood clot passport because they have to come back to Jamaica with me. They have to come back a yard with me. Fuck me if you get 90,000 to buy pussy. Tell me God Almighty truth. And I first night that, you know, what we find 600 US the first night that we don't spend half much money on liquor and go in a club and all of them things and buy much liquor in a club, plus we buy much things at airport, we go shopping and all of them, we go say buy food and something. What the fuck me forget 600 US from? And me can get your yard free? I tell Chama say no. And here what going on no? 600 US plus we have to rent one next Airbnb for night. 600 US, you know. Plus we have to rent a different Airbnb because they said they now come up for Airbnb because for Airbnb they're far. 600 US plus them want we to rent on different Airbnb. That we don't go to spend 1,000 at US. Where we get it from? We tell you so good. Mama then convince we. Then you know when somebody just sell one blood clot car and you tell them no. And they start to say front end good and this good and the engine good, and some woman start they took out their phone. See it ya? Yes, good pussy. We can stay all night. You get head. Tight hole. I say rascal boy.